Welcome to Bike Shift, where the most awaited machines of the future come alive. Today, we explore the stunning and powerful new 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350, a motorcycle that blends vintage charm with modern engineering. This is more than a bike, it's a statement on two wheels, designed for riders who want classic style, unmatched road presence, and a pure riding soul. The 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 arrives with a bold and muscular retro design. Its long wheelbase, chunky tires, single-seat bobber profile, and wide handlebar stance create a perfect old-school look with modern touches. The clean lines, round LED headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and metallic finishes give it a timeless character. Every detail is crafted to reflect the heritage of Royal Enfield, while introducing a fresh identity for the new generation of bobbers. Powering the Bobber 350 is the refined 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine from Royal Enfield's modern platform. Tuned specifically for smooth low-end torque, it delivers relaxed cruising performance on highways and effortless riding in the city. Its strong mid-range response gives riders a satisfying thump and smooth acceleration. With improved engine balancing, reduced vibrations, and enhanced fuel efficiency, the 2026 Bobber 350 aims to offer one of the most comfortable long-ride experiences in the 350 cubic centimeters segment. Comfort takes center stage in this new model. The low-slung single seat, wide handlebars, and forward-set foot pegs create a comfortable cruiser posture ideal for long journeys. Royal Enfield has equipped it with an upgraded suspension setup to handle rough roads smoothly. The heavier body and extended wheelbase add stability, while dual ABS ensures confidence during braking. Overall, the bike promises a planted, stress-free ride that matches the bobber lifestyle perfectly. The 2026 Bobber 350 blends vintage appeal with modern features. It includes a semi-digital instrument cluster with tripper navigation support, Bluetooth connectivity, gear position indicator, and essential ride information. LED lighting adds a modern edge while keeping the retro feel intact. Multiple color variants and custom accessories allow riders to personalize the machine to match their style. This new bobber isn't just about looks, it's equipped for today's tech-savvy rider. Royal Enfield is expected to keep the pricing competitive, making the 2026 Bobber 350 an attractive choice for riders seeking a premium retro cruiser without breaking the budget. With its unique design, strong engine performance, and modern features, the bike is set to make a big impact in the 350 cubic centimeters cruiser segment. Enthusiasts can expect a motorcycle that delivers style, comfort, and presence in one powerful package. The new 2026 Royal Enfield Bobber 350 stands as a perfect blend of classic charm and modern engineering. From its vintage bobber silhouette to its refined riding experience, it promises to redefine the mid-segment cruiser category. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more future motorcycle updates and detailed reviews.